welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog, guys, let's cook, guys, a beef spring roll using this one, guys. This one is imitation crab meat. Imitation crab meat is a product from fish. Okay, the ingredients of this product is product from fish. Okay, with the other ingredients that they mixed it. The taste is real crab meat, guys, more tasty than real crab meat. Okay, this one is deep umami, and if you can for those who can eat fresh crab meat, this taste is more tastier than fresh crab meat. Okay, imitation but healthy. Okay, a product from fish. Then I'm using this onion, carrots, and potato. This one is a simple recipe that is made from my kitchen. Spring roll. Okay, I've cooked already a spring roll and different ingredients. This one is the best, and my kids most like it. Simple, but of course, my rules: home cook is always the best. Okay, grated freshly before I cook it, and slightly cooked meat, and I cook this one into microwave. But this time I choose not to free cook it, just all fresh. Okay, so that the freshly vegetables taste would be preserved inside the wrap of the spring roll. Okay, thank you guys for always watching until end of my simple vlog. Home cook is always the best. Okay, please do watch until end, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. For those who did not already subscribe, guys, don't miss it. Oh my god, 1 subscribes is counts. Okay, I'm seriously growing my channel, guys. I hoping someday we could earn like they earn, a popular blogger around the world. I hope we could be the one. Okay, not so much popular, but earning is something like they are earning too. We are doing our best. Okay, and I'm one of the person or the content creator that are hoping that someday we could reach our goals, so that we can have our financial freedom, guys. It's not easy to make content, so we are deserved to have lots of views. Shout out YouTube, please help content creators grow. Ouch, it's very dangerous. This grated is very dangerous, and same as the onion, guys, just all of this are grated. Guys, I will continue this process, and please do continue watching until. And after grated those ingredients, let's put now the imitation crab meat. Seems like real crab meat, guys. Okay, this one is very versatile. You can put into salad, pasta, in any recipes you like to add. It's okay. And for more tasty, let's use this powder fish. Powder fish, bonito flakes, bonito powder, okay? Bonito. Deep umami. And black pepper and salt. Oyster sauce. And soy sauce. And put a green onion. This one is already frozen, guys. I cut it yesterday. This is how I preserve onion, green onion. Cut it, slice it, and put into fridge. And since I have meats, I put a little bit of rice wine. Then mix all in one together. No eggs. I'm not using eggs for my spring roll. I'm not using eggs. Smells so delicious. So after mixing, guys, in one, let's start it wrapping. Okay, small size wrap. Since this one is fresh, I put only a little bit, not so much, so that it could be cooked properly. No flour, no breadcrumbs, no eggs, just only the mixture that I show you before we start mixing it. And I'm using only water, guys, to close the wrapper. Just only water is enough. Okay. There's a lot of frozen, ready to cook in supermarket. Different ingredients inside of it. But it's easy because you just only cook it. You just only fry it. But you don't know what's inside. Okay? Even it takes time, better should cook, better should prepare in your own home. Cook it with love. So guys, I will continue this process. And please do watch until the end and don't skip the ads, guys. Okay? That ads is a reward of our hard work. So please don't skip the ads and do share on your community. Thank you, guys. Please do watch until the end, okay? And it's done, guys. Let's fry now. A medium slow fire, guys, because the inside ingredients are raw, so better should cook it properly, deeply cooked, well done. So do not put a heavy fire. Smells so good. So guys, it's already cooked. Smells so delicious, guys, from the onion and the crab meat. The mix of those are very perfect. So guys, I need to finish my vlog until here. Thanks for watching. For those who are watching until end, you are awesome. I hope your channel will be grow more than you wish. This one is all a little bit of cooked, then it's ready to serve. So until here, guys, thanks for watching. Bye, and have a wonderful journey to YouTube. Bye, guys. Until next vlog.